Add a hat and sunglasses. Make the background fiery. Change to neon colors. Change the style to graffiti art. Now you can transform your photos into different art styles. Erase objects from photos. Add fun stuff to your existing images. Change colors, swap backgrounds, and so much more. All using simple text prompts for free without paying for expensive editing apps. So let's jump in and see the magic. We'll be using Grok AI, and you can use it for free. Head over to Grok AI website and log in with a Google account. Once you are in, you will see this familiar interface that's very similar to ChatGPT. You can add or remove things from any image super easily. Let's say we want to remove all the people in the background of this photo. We'll just upload it to Grok AI and say, "Remove people from the background." And here's the result. All the background people are gone and the character stays perfectly in focus. Now I take this image and ask to add sunglasses. And look at this, it's super cool. Next, I ask it to add a pink hat with a floral design. And here it is. It looks great overall, but if you look closely, you'll notice the girl's eyes have changed a little. Well, AI isn't perfect yet. You can even change the emotions on someone's face. I upload this image and ask Grok AI to put a smile on her face. And here's the result. Pretty cool, right? Here's another cool feature. You can change the style of any photo you upload with just a prompt. For example, I uploaded this selfie and type, "Turn into comic book art with bold lines." Here's the result. Looks awesome, right? Now let's try the super viral Ghibli style. How about turning this into a Pixar-style animation? Or maybe a cyberpunk style? Just like that, you can easily transform any photo into the style you want with a text prompt. Another thing we can do is changing the whole atmosphere of a photo. For example, I'll upload this photo and ask to turn the scene into a sunset. Here's the result. Warm and beautiful. Now let's try changing the scene to a twilight scene. You can even transform yourself into different characters using just a photo of you. I'll upload this image to Grok AI and ask to make the person into a queen. Here's the result. Now let's try turning her into an ancient warrior. Pretty cool, right? You can try yours and see what you get. Next, we're gonna look into changing colors of an image or photo. I've got this image, and I'm uploading it to Grok AI and ask to change the colors to neon colors. Boom, our image now has a cool neon glow. Let's try changing to light pastel tones. Here's what I got, soft and dreamy. How about shades of gray? You can also change the background of any image in seconds. I uploaded this image and asked the AI to change the background to a fiery blast. Here's what we got. Changing backgrounds of your images has never been this easy. Grok AI can turn simple hand-drawn sketches into stylish images. I'm uploading this kid's drawing and asking it to convert it to a 3D animation-style image. And here's the result. Let's try another. Just like these, there can be so many other ways you can transform your images with Grok AI. If you have any great ideas that will be helpful, let us know in the comments.
If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more future content like this.